start yet?
Yep. See? Welcome to the channel. My asshole brother is making so much noise that I can't even freaking start this thing. All right. So we're over at my brother's house. He's got a couple things he wants to put on his bike today. But of course, you know, install videos. This is for you, Bri. You know, I got different beer today, and I'm showing the label. Okay, Bri. Ta-da! Corona. Is that better for you, Bri? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna ooh, a little dark there. Show you what he's got, what he wants to put on his Goldwing. All right. Okay, what do you got here? You have a plate. Looks like a skid plate of some kind, right?
Yes, this is.
Where's the part?
It's called.
Is there a part number anywhere?
No, I don't know.
Oh,
it's
under.
Traxxion Dynamics. It's Traxxion Dynamics.
Oh.
Engine case guard.
Traxxion Dynamics engine case guard. Okay,
Yeah.
Cool.
They don't call it a skid plate.
Yeah, skid plate. And then you also have from 03D Goldstrike, you know, whatever, Goldstrike, 03D.
The tie downs.
Yeah. Tie down brackets that you can mount on there, so that's where you put your tie downs on, so you're not tying down onto the springs and stuff. They have the hooks, so. All right.
All right.
All right, he's got the bike up on his wheel chalk. And what do we got to do first?
All right. Well, first part is we're gonna take the fog light casing off.
Okay.
Okay. 5mm.
5mm.
Yep.
Allen.
There's 2 bolts, one right here, one right here.
Okay. Barely in there?
Huh? Yeah. Yep. A lot of these are going to be barely in there. Bolts out. And it should, just pop off.
There you go.
There's my horn.
There's your horn.
And it's got like a fall protection underneath. That's what this is based on. Yep. And then my light go in here too eventually.
Yep.
So.
Oh, yep. Did you look that up?
What?
Did you see what that was?
I think it's just that they know they tightened it down.
Oh. Yeah.
Double horn. This whole panel's got to come off.
Oh, you got to take the whole panel off?
Because then there's a bolt here that holds this on. Right here. So, right here. See it?
Yep.
All right, and then this comes out. And he says there's like a little finger one right here. That's all loosened up. Can't get it.
All right, we finally got the piece out. Holy crapola.
So, these parts ain't bad. And underneath it's just a pop out down here.
This here just pops out. This here you gotta, this here just pops out. You got screw. Here, you gotta push that forward. Bring it down below that other piece of plastic. And then this.
So you can shift it out forward.
So then you can shift and slide this forward.
Yep.
Okay. On the side number 2. Side number 2. We'll take this one off.
Yeah.
This will take another 45 minutes. Traxxion Dynamics do it in 20. So we'll be here 4 hours.
Yep. Okay.
Got to pop that one, this. past the plastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then slide forward.
Slide forward. There you go.
Okay.
Boom. Got it. Finally.
All right.
Please don't show no ash crack.
Shut up.
What?
These top two right here.
Okay, so you got to take that.
Just the top one there and the top one over there. This is just facade. It keeps it on that.
Okay.
So it's that's top one, that top one, and then 2 bolts.
Okay. There you go.
And this whole thing comes off.
Okay. Top, 2 bolts on each side. Boom. Be off.
See? 8 millimeter.
8 millimeter. There you go. Take the bolts out on both sides. Does that actually drop the whole panel?
Yeah.
And that drops the whole panel?
Should drop. Well, it should pop out afterwards. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm watching this.
Number 2.
Okay, looks like it's there. No, it's just a facade. See, I think it just pops. Yeah, it just pops out.
Oh, okay.
That's
there you
it.
go. Hey, wow. Done.
Oh,
Ready to go.
Clean that up.
Let's open this baby up. There we go. Traxxion, look at this. Traxxion engine case guard. Optional washer for left rear. See YouTube video. Woo! Boy, these instructions are great. Okay.
The reason behind that is because on the DCT, you need a little bit of more of a tip.
Ah, okay. So, ooh, these are the brackets?
These are the brackets.
And they, oh, I got,
Machine.
ooh, focus. Outside.
Front, outside. That's the back.
Rear.
Outside. Yep. Yep.
Another bracket.
Yep.
Front. Outside. Yeah. So you got to take out 2 bolts out of the engine case and they're going to replace them.
There's 3 of them. Never take out.
Never. There's 3 of them. Don't take out the middle.
Do not take out the middle.
So take out the right side and the left side.
There is a small chance that you're going to get like a little bit of oil seepage
All right.
when you first do it.
All right. Put the bracket on.
Yeah, you're going to have fun getting up underneath this one. He said. There, just like that. And then.
Man, this cameraman sucks.
Well, who's the cameraman?
Maybe we should have took a ride to the Traxxion Dynamics and had them do it. It would have took fast, but been done faster. Even taking the trip down there. Where's he based out of?
Alabama,
Yeah.
I think.
So we got the plate, and for this part, you put the back bracket onto the plate.
It's easier.
It's easier to put the back bracket on the plate while you have it here.
Yep.
So you just do it like this. And so you just
What I pick up here? 4 millimeter, by the way.
all right. The screws for the plate are 4 millimeter. You heard them. All right, bring the plate over, or whatever.
Yep.
And he's got to take out the 2 back bolts.
See my hand?
Yep.
This one. Leave this one alone.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep. Take those back bolts out. There we go. All right. Hold the plate up and Try to put your bolts in. Oop, right there. Yep. You had it there. That one there, here. There you go, there's one. Alright, so you had to loosen up those 2 bolts first. You shouldn't have tightened them up. You gotta give yourself a little leeway play to put the 4 screws on the bottom of the plate.
His suggestion is tighten these down and then tighten up this and these.
Yeah. Okay. So tighten up the screws first. Okay.
Tighten up the back ones because I never torque them down.
Tighten up the back ones. Okay.
Then tighten up.
Tighten up the bolt.
Technically, these are supposed to be torqued to 18.
Yeah, technically he's supposed to torque them to 18, but he doesn't have. I have torque wrenches, but I don't have metric Allen sockets. I have American Allen sockets,
But 18 foot-pounds isn't really a lot.
Yep. So hand tighten them.
You know,
Good.
Hand tight, tough.
Yep.
Basically.
So basically that's it for this, right?
Yes.
All right. So that's the. Don't want to call it the skid plate, but it's an engine guard.
It's an engine guard, yep.
People have been putting them on here because supposedly Honda made their engines out of paper mache. So people run over a pebble and put it through their engine. That's not what it was?
Uh-huh.
Well, I thought that's what you said.
It has to do with,
Supposedly, people have been, if they run over stuff, they put, they
have a bad design, but the engine casing's all right there, all open.
Yeah, the engine case is all open, so, like I said, paper mache, a pebble through the engine. So, that's why he bought the engine guard plate. Okay?
Yep.
So, he's just going to tighten that up, and that's it for that. And then we'll be installing the tie-down things before he puts the plate.
This cover goes back on.
Very good.
And before I put these, and this cover goes back on. But before I put these on is where I put those on.
Okay. So that's it for this, and then you just put,
But if anyone,
he's going to put some covers on, and then we'll go from there.
was it, before you hang up, did you hang up yet?
No.
But as you can see, you really can't see this very much.
No. From above, you can't really see it from above or anything, They have 2 different versions. One's a little wider, you said, right?
Yeah, the LKM version.
Yep.
But it kind of covers your exhaust. So you're not denting up your exhaust. But
If you're denting up your exhaust, you're on the wrong roads.
yeah.
All right, so now, wait a minute. We're not putting the plastics on yet. We're going to be putting his Goldstrike tie down brackets on. And they have a right side and a left side.
All right, so.
All right, so for these, you got to take out that bolt.
Which holds the horn.
And that bolt.
Yeah.
This bolt we reused. This bolt, you used the one that came with it.
Yep.
Okay. The Goldstrike bracket is installed on top of the factory horn mount bracket. So the mount, that goes there, then that. Yep, there you go.
All right, can you hold that though? Just so I can get the...
Which one do you want me to hold?
This. Just hold the bracket for that.
Okay, there. And that has adjustability. Mm-hmm. There. Okay, now put the other one in. That's the one that you got to adjust, see? Mm-hmm. There. All right. And then you tighten that up.
That's it for that one. Next bolt. Again. I just got to do the other side.
All right, and he'll do the other side. All right, so he's got this right side on. He's putting the left side on now, but So when you you know, haul your bike or whatever, this is where you put your freaking toe strap. I mean, not your toe strap, your tie down. So instead of using something else. So, all right, so you don't tweak anything. He's got the plastics all put together back on there now. So there's the tie down hook. Boom. Okay.
Crack my leg.
And there's the plate. Engine guard plate.
Basically, it's a piece of Mars.
So,
You know what I mean?
yep. So, like I said before, all done. So he doesn't put a pebble through his engine. So that's the end of today's video. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. It only took 4 hours to do this job, and it takes Traxxion Dynamics 20 minutes. So, as you can see at the beginning of the video, my little warning, we are not mechanics. He is not, anyway, definitely. So till next time, I'll see you later. Bye.